Feels like a damn RC car.
Alright, we are out here at 704 Outlaws. This is going to be the last race for a little bit for, well, at least organized chaos. But I'm just going to do a 660 video like normal. But we're out here at 704 and they just draw chips. We're going into first round right now because you see rain coming up back there. So it's going to be exciting. But we ended up drawing Chris, so unfortunate, but Dylan Hall drew Tracy Helms, and then Michael now I think drew the red Nova, or no, not Nova, the red turbo car, and then okay, trying to think. Oh, and then Matt Hall called out some blue Pro Charge Fox bodies. So it's been pretty exciting. We have 9 cars. So Robbie Dollar got the bye. So we're gonna see. But make sure you guys stay tuned, like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. Well, they called it. We got one race. The last, it was. They said it was really close, so you guys see on the GoPro. But I'm gonna call it again. We're gonna keep our tickets and we get it the next time. So hopefully next time it's not gonna rain. It'll be sunny and we can actually get a good race. So stay tuned for that next video. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.